Croeso I noson agored Ysgol Henry Richard 2020. Welcome to Ysgol Henry Richard's Open Evening 2020. Heno ga'ch glywed wrth y pennaeth ac amryw o athrawon, wrth iddyn nhw rannu beth sydd gyda'r ysgol hon i'w chynnig. Tonight you'll hear from the head teacher and various staff, as they share what the school has to offer. Ysgol lle mae pawb yn hapus. Ysgol fach lle mae pawb fel un teulu. Ysgol sy'n cynnig llawer o gyfleoedd fel y clywch chi amdani'r heno. A school where everyone's happy. A small school where we are like one family. A school which offers so many opportunities that you'll hear about tonight. Felly eisteddwch nôl a mwynhewch wledd o gyflwyniadau. So sit back and enjoy a variety of excellent presentations. Ac yn fuan iawn, fyddewch chi sylweddoli mae Ysgol Henry Richard, ein ysgol ni, yw'r ysgol orau yn y byd. And very soon you'll come to realise that Ysgol Henry Richard, our school, is the very best school in the world.